Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. Got another box for you today. This one is the My Trove box. This is the Spring 2025 welcome box. This one was $175. Shipping is $18.95. If you are liking what you are seeing here, they have 3 options still left, okay? You can customize. What I chose, the theme I chose, is not available any longer. And what we are going to see here in this box is it the Gaia Tri, maybe it's Gaia Tri, blue, green, round, okay? What they still have available is the Charlotte apple green round, and then the Anouk blue round or oval. So you'll know what all that means once I dive in. The box is shippable to the lower 48 states. They're looking to expand though. They also have a quarterly subscription that is $245 plus $18.95 shipping, but they're sold out right now. So if you like what you see, go out and check out their website, see if there's a wait list. If there's not a wait list, check social media. Follow them on social media. I'm sure they'll publish once they open up their box again. So I have not dived in. I've opened up because if you haven't already, go check out the other video where I unboxed the summer welcome box, and it took me a while to get into that box. So I wanted to get into this one first. So what we've got here, all right, is a thank you for the order and a thank you card. Thank you so much for your order, Terry. And here is where you can connect with them on social media. And thank you. Now I do know what is in here because, like I said, I selected it. The theme, the colors, the print, I guess is a good way to put it. So I remember some things, of course I never remember everything. And before I dig in, I had been watching this box for a while. I really, really wanted what is in here, but I kept holding off because I was like, I don't want to pay that much. And I waited and I waited and I waited, and I saw it was still available, so I went ahead and did it. Okay. On the top here, with every My Trove box that you get, is their amazing bag. So you always get one of these. It's a highlight of getting the box is getting the back. All right, on top here, let's start here first. I like how she has wrapped all of these. We have got napkin holders. These are very nice, you guys. As you can hear, these are not just plastic napkin holders. They are very nice quality. They're thick. They have got some weight to them. There are 4 of them. She does have, she has them labeled also. And it says, we hope you love this item. Please refer to the care instructions on the product page insert included with your My Trove box. And then for additional questions, they have their email address. Those are really pretty. Those are better than what I was expecting, you guys. Next item. And this is what I wanted. Look at the napkins, guys. Look at the pattern. So these are 20 by 20 napkins, and I'm going to get into them. The brand is Pacific and Rose, block prints, artisan crafted textiles designed in California, block printed in India, and for the love of blocks. So in here, you do have the labeling, Pacific and Rose block prints. On the back, the care, it's 100% cotton, cold water wash, line dry, warm iron. But what I love, these come pressed. Kudos. But look how beautiful, you guys. Get up more close. Look how beautiful. So yes, I had my eyes on these for a little while and finally said, all right, I'm getting them. They are still available. So it is meant to be. And I'm taking them. So I have to make these a little bit more pretty. But love them. And we get 4. Love them. But that is not all. We also get the same coloring placemats, 4 placemats. These are 14 by 18, same company. Let me see. Here we go. So these, so these are thicker than the napkins, as they should be. Look how pretty, you guys. Make it up close. Quality is very nice, you guys. Very nice quality. Again, I love that they don't need ironed right now. Same care instructions. Let me just double check one thing. Yes, so same care instructions. They're beautiful. They are. Okay, next item in the box, you guys. By Beatrix Ball in New Orleans. And I will say, this is bigger than I thought it was going to be. What I thought, okay, you guys, I literally thought it was going to be less than half of this size. So for the price point, I'm so glad it's not. But it's a tray. Look at it. It's so pretty. So pretty. So it's luxury melamine. Is that right? Melamine. The size, it doesn't say. Now, the one thing did say there should be some care instructions in here. So let me look. So there are not, so it says here, please refer to the care instructions on the product page insert included with your Trove box. The only thing I had was this, and it doesn't have any care instructions. So I'm just gonna shoot them an email real quick, because that also is on here for any, for additional questions. Just email them. So I'm just gonna email them, not a big deal at all, to get the care instructions. Just because I want to make sure that I do care for these correctly. So to recap, we got the My Trove box bag. We have got the 4 napkin rings with the 4 absolutely beautiful napkins. The 4 matching placemats. And the super pretty tray. So I'm happy. I am happy because I really wanted these. Like I said, you guys, I really wanted these. So I'm so happy that I went ahead and I purchased it and I got them. So, okay. Well, that wraps up another unboxing for today. I hope everyone is enjoying the summer, staying cool or staying warm if that's your thing. But thank you for spending time with me, and we will see each other again here soon. Bye, everyone.